How are these tiny monitors and how they're made? These sleek and lightweight devices are designed to enhance your productivity on the go, making them a must-have for professionals. The primary reasons for the existence of the world's thinnest monitors are portability and enhanced productivity for professionals on the go. These monitors, such as the Espresso Display V2 and C4CF015C, provide a sleek, lightweight solution for expanding screen space. Now, let's talk about how these amazing devices are made. The design and features of these monitors are carefully crafted to ensure they're not only thin but also durable. They're constructed using aerospace-grade aluminum, which is strong and lightweight, and hardened glass for added protection. That's it for today's Tech Talk. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the latest gadgets and innovations. Until then, keep exploring the world of technology.